Hello brothers, I hope you are in good health. Spanish aftermarket manufacturer Puig has polished the Yamaha MT-09 SP and turned it into a futuristic concept bike called the Diablo. So let's check this out. At first glance, it will be very difficult to see any trace of that naked Japanese motorcycle behind all of the Diablo's bodywork. Not surprising, because making custom motorcycles is a specialty of the Spanish aftermarket company's capabilities. Diablo itself is the result of Puig's Everflowing design project and focused heavily on aerodynamics. The bike's sharp bodywork has been tested in wind tunnels and dramatically changed the rider's position from an upright position focused on the road to an aggressive stance. What's more, the bodywork's elements feature active aerodynamics, with sensors capable of determining when certain elements are moving to provide more downforce. Notably, the windshield and side fairing all feature active aero. The windshield is pulled up and down, protecting the rider from wind blasts, while the fairing extends to the side to provide downforce and channel air to cool the engine. Other striking elements include a completely redesigned front end with a sleek single LED headlights, plus a sharp back cover with LEDs is seamlessly integrated into the design. At the front, the cover extends in triple, which gives this bike a flowing stance and very aggressive. These brake covers provide more aerodynamics while keeping the overall looks futuristic. Of course, given how sophisticated the entire setup is, it's worth assuming that Diablo will be limited to a concept, at least for now. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.